The Match Names tool allows you to compare a list of scientific names against FishBase and SeaLifeBase to get the current valid name of the listed species. It also helps in identifying duplicate species or synonyms, misspellings, or wrong entries on your list. The tool is found in the lower part of the FishBase and SeaLifeBase search pages. Scroll down to the Tool section and click on the Match Names button. In the box, you can type the genus and species names as shown in the example. Or cut and paste from a spreadsheet or text document. Then click Submit. This returns a list of results from matching names against FishBase. We see that, based on our example, 28 scientific names were submitted. In the returned matched species table, 12 species have corresponding species in FishBase. The matched species table shows the species names from your data, the corresponding valid scientific name and author, and the species family, order, and class. Note that submitted names that are different from valid names are marked with a yellow background. Record number 7 shows that the submitted data is a misspelling of Onko Ring Kus Cha Wit Sha. Whereas, record number 11 shows the correct spelling of the species name as N. gralis japonicus. For users of rfishbase, the spec code can be used to link the species list to related species information in various tables in rfishbase. Scroll down to the Unmatched Species table at the bottom of the page. Listed are the submitted scientific names with no matches in FishBase. This would typically include names of non-fish species, or invalid entries, or non-scientific names such as Ingralis spp, elasmobranchs or tuna. We see that 16 species names from our example have no matching names in FishBase. In this case, they refer to non-fish species and could be inspected using the corresponding match name tool in SeaLifeBase. In the returned results, we see that, based on our example, all 16 scientific names that were submitted have corresponding species in SeaLifeBase. We note however that records number 11 Barytuthis magister and number 15 Gonadus septemdentatus are synonyms of the species Barytuthis magister. Thus, the list contains a total of 15 unique species. The matched names results can then be used to prepare a definitive table of species for a report or publication. Or to perform advanced queries in the rfishbase and raquamaps packages in R, that provide programmed access to data for thousands of species in the FishBase, SeaLifeBase, and Aquamaps repositories. We have just shown you the Match Names tools. Next, you will learn more about the FishBase identification tools.